Hey, Jules Blessed Vegan. I'm loving being raw, but sometimes you need a little change up, right? So I like to use my dehydrator often to make things like wraps, sometimes a soup, but I always want a cracker with that salad or some kind of texture. When I was thinking about saltines, not only do they have salt, of course, but five of them is about 210 calories. That is a no. So I thought, can I make a fat-free cracker? Just some small ones to enjoy. Yes, just some tiny little humble crackers. What? Okay, seriously, these are fat free. Fourth cup chia, fourth cup flaxseed ground, and then a bunch of cherry tomatoes, spinach, yellow zucchini, and incredible spices. Hello, all blended. Put in that dehydrated about 115 for seriously, it took like 20 hours. But altogether, this huge cracker, not only can you hear the crunch, hello, but it's about 65 calories for the entire thing. It's healthy, lovely, and so yes. So raw on, my friends, you can do this thing.